Today we're here in Florida in partnership with Florida State University Schools to have our very first kickoff STEM Fest event. And we're so excited to be here as we have over 60 plus stations to engage kids in STEM across the whole gambit. We have technology stations where kids will be engaged in virtual reality, do robotics. We have chemistry where kids will be able to see chemistry demonstrations such as elephant toothpaste. They'll be able to build their very own propeller car where they'll complete the circuit and be able to take home and engage engineer. We have drones. We have all type of different things across the whole gambit of STEM. Kids will make music using a banana, and all kind of different stations to engage kids into the opportunities of the 21st century.
I've done science fairs as a science teacher and as an administrator for 20 years or more. I've never seen anything like this. I've watched all the YouTube videos and the promotional materials that STEM Nola provided. Great support for them, by the way. But when I walked into our gym, which housed a basketball game last night, I can't describe the enormity of the impact of all of the activities. I shared with the volunteers who came here, who are all so knowledgeable. They're students, college students, graduate students who have a vested interest in understanding and sharing their love and belief in STEM. So they've been phenomenal. But when I walked in here and I talked to them about the fact that they could create an experience for our students that were real tipping points, a tipping point that could change a student's life, just one activity could light a fire, a spark, and set them towards a trajectory in the STEM world.
It's coming down the water. This is a cloud. What is it doing? Yes, right. And it's going down as what? Respect the path. That's right.
It's important because STEM in the education system is unique. It's a currency, and it is valuable for you if they want to get employment, start businesses. Everything is foundation on STEM.
So we started off over there and we drew the shape of the car, and then we moved on, put the bottom on for the body, and then we moved on to put these poles, and they go through the holes in the body, and then connected the wheels to them, and then we put on the battery packs and the propeller, and then we wired them all up, and then we went over there to the station and decorated them.
Then it's closed, right?
Does anybody see Devil?
Yeah, so when you're on a plane, those two giant things that you see on either side, yeah.
Okay. All right, no games being played. No games being played, okay.